Welcome to Healthy and Fitness Academy. Be healthy and stay fit forever with KOKOSHUNGSAN. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. If you like it, please like, share it, and leave comments. Thanks for your support and for helping us make the world a better place. The problem with the notion of dieting is that it does not address the lifestyle changes that need to be made in order to permanently take the weight off. Losing weight is not something that can be bought or sold. It is not a commodity. Sometimes the problem is cultural. We become trapped in old habits that have us eating unhealthy foods for a lifetime. The key is to adjust your lifestyle. This means eating a plant-based diet based on whole foods and embarking on an exercise program. There is no such thing as a quick fix when it comes to obesity. Once you are diagnosed with chronic disease, it can set in quite quickly, and the longer you wait to embark on a natural weight loss plan, the harder it will be on your health in the future. You only need to look around you at the people you know to determine who is healthy and who is sick because of their fat accumulations. Think of the people that you know who are fat. Are they sick all of the time? What is his or her diet like? They probably eat a lot of sugar, salt, and junk food. They possibly also drink a lot of alcohol. Now think of people that you know who maintain a healthy weight. You will notice they do not eat a lot of junk. In fact, you might have noticed that these are the vegans that you know, or the people who you know who like to consume Italian, Greek, or Asian diets. Traditional cultures from the Mediterranean, the Middle East and Asia know how to eat without gaining weight like Americans do. Think of the traditional Asian body and how svelte the physique usually is. In China, Persia, Japan and India, people have been eating a mostly plant-based diet for thousands of years, and it seems to keep the majority of these massive populations fit. After you are done picturing the body shape of the average Asian, then picture what your average American looks like. Then picture him eating snacks at a baseball game. Visualize the beer full of calories and the hot dog full of fat. This is not health food, and this is typical of the unhealthy eating habits of the average American. When was the last time you saw a really fat vegan? Then ask if you could handle being on a diet that had more vegetables rather than meat. That is your first step towards embarking on a fully effective, yet natural weight loss plan. So just how much weight can you immediately lose if you become a vegan? During a study at the Pritikin Center, there were 4,500 patients who went through a program of eating as much as they wanted of low-fat, plant-based whole food lost 5.5% of their body weight. They also lost an average of 17 pounds. KOKOSHUNGSAN pays you to have fun. KOKOSHUNGSAN